I recently purchased this 4-liter Geniani humidifier for a very specific reason. I live in the Arizona desert and I've gotten obsessed with growing and rehabbing orchids. So I wanted to find a good quality, no fuss humidifier that was quiet and big enough to run for a good amount of time before having to be refilled. So I'm bringing the camera along and doing a quick but thorough unboxing and setup and offering my overall thoughts on this humidifier. It comes with a handy user's manual with a quick start guide that I'm using here to help me set it up and to make sure I know the best way to operate the unit. It has a water level indicator on the tank, and I like the clean and modern design with the one main function button on the front. It also has a port where you can add essential oils for diffusing an aromatherapy mist. To fill the unit, you simply remove the top lid and fill the main tank with up to 4 liters of water. This is a filter-free humidifier, and I have filtered soft water. If you have hard water, you might want to consider using distilled water for easier cleaning. Then I'm adding a few drops of essential oil on the pad in the back. The humidifier creates an ultrasonic cool mist that has 4 mist modes: auto, low, medium, and high. In auto mode, a light will illuminate in the tank, indicating if the surrounding humidity level is low, medium, or high. I found the Geniani easy to set up, and it only took a few minutes to get it up and running. I like the added features of the essential oil diffuser and the humidity level light indicator, and I especially love how quiet it is. If you're looking for a humidifier for your space, I'd recommend checking out this unit. I hope this overview was helpful. Thanks for watching.